Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm really excited to have you here with me today, because I know that if you've clicked on this video, you're probably searching for something. Maybe you're feeling forgetful, unfocused, exhausted, or just stuck in life. You're craving something that can sharpen your mind, free up your ideas, and bring positive opportunities into your life. Well, let me tell you, you're not alone in this struggle. But guess what? I've got something incredible to share with you today, something that's going to blow your mind. It's called the genius wave, and trust me, it's going to change the game for you. Recent breakthroughs in neuroscience have uncovered an untapped potential within our brains, and the genius wave is here to unlock it. Picture this. Thousands of people have already experienced a transformation using this simple audio program. Developed by researchers trained at MIT, the genius wave harnesses the power of brainwave entrainment to gently stimulate a remarkable area of our minds. It's like giving your brain a gentle nudge in the right direction. If you're tired of feeling like you're not operating at your full potential, if you're longing to unleash your inner genius, then you need the genius wave in your life. And hey, I'm not just saying this. I've seen the results firsthand, and they're mind-blowing. So here's the deal. The Genius Wave is a 7-minute digital audio track that works by activating the theta brainwave. This isn't some gimmick, it's backed by science. By using specific binaural beats and isochronic tones, the Genius Wave synchronizes with your brain's natural rhythms, guiding you into a state of heightened cognition and intuition. Imagine being able to tap into your genius abilities effortlessly, to solve problems with ease and clarity, to think sharper and focus better than ever before. That's the power of the Genius Wave. But don't just take my word for it. Visit their official website and see for yourself. And hey, if you're still skeptical, they offer a money-back guarantee. So really, what do you have to lose? I urge you to give it a shot. Trust me, you won't regret it. Say goodbye to feeling scattered and disconnected, and hello to a sharper, more focused you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.